once you begin your broadcast. The broadcast
Morning,
is now
guys.
starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Good morning, NASDAQ. If you guys want to sell ahead of non-farm payrolls, you have a short. Selling ahead of the 8:30 news. I personally will not take any trades. NASDAQ breaks below 96. We come 86 pretty quick. Guys, good morning. Today is Friday, July 7th, last day of the week. It is also non-farm payrolls, and it is futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. All right. There you go, fellas. All right. Who's funded? Gold is I'm not looking at gold, but that's probably up as well. Yep, way up. Miss of consensus expectations for the first time in 15 months. Guys, my guess is we're going to get a trend day up. That's a nice beat. The way that the bot is programmed is it places trades on the candle close. But if more than one average, and in this case 5 averages have already crossed, it'll place the 5 contracts. That's the downside to momentum because it could blow through 4, 5, 6 levels before a candle closes. All right, if we were going to get long, we can try a long at 227. There's $600 trade. We could try a long at 227 if you guys wanted to. This should not come much below 18. That should hold. Came to 12. They're selling them all back. We've gone back negative delta. Boy, that's... And the NASDAQ bot didn't take a trade. Come back through 25, we should go 35. Didn't hold VWAP. And it could sell off to 181. News is good. Buyers trying to come in here. This should pull back above 18, half 19. There we go. There we go. Anybody long? There you go, fellas. Got to crawl through this daily resistance. All right, bot is in a trade. NASDAQ bot. Put 2 contracts on. Anybody long? I told you, 20 should take 27, come back through 18. Remember, it's pre-market and volatility. Okay, I'm going to take 3 off. I sold 3. All right, NASDAQ bot. Come on, baby. I'm all for a puke it up. We're holding VWAP or just below. Up 800, done trading. Nice! That's my little brother. All right, I'm flat. I'm flat. All right, guys, TrendBot's up 400. 670 on 2 contracts, 700. Come on, baby. Come down to 02. That's a place to probably take some risk off. Up 850 on the TrendBot. 900. Come on, give me that break. 3-minute support. Give me a break. Okay. Take 590 on the first trade. It's holding this stupid 3-minute support. This is just so we can get long in our session, guys. Anybody have any questions? And then on. So for you guys that, have the TrendBot, as I explained and, will reiterate, I let the first move go. Whatever that first move is, I don't care if it goes 100 handles. I don't want to get caught up in the chop before it makes a decision as to which direction it's going. Now, if you're trading bigger time frame, 10-minute, 15-minute, 30-minute kind of thing, you'll avoid all that. But if you're trading a 1 minute, a 3 minute, a 5 minute on the bot, you're going to get, somewhat, shaken around. I'm not interested in that. I did run the TrendBot last night, starting at 6 p.m. I ran it in Sim, and it did 2,200 last night. We're pushing up, guys. I tell you, we're not shorts. They're just cleaning out traders. We're not shorts. I'm looking for the longs. Unfortunately, pre-market, all right, here's what we got here. That just took a losing short. Small 1 contract on the ES. Again, I'm running ES and Sim. I'm trying to find. We're pushing up if you guys want to be long. We are not shorts. We are not shorts. First resistance here is 56 if you're long. Or if you want to get long, 56 is target 1. New bar. And then we're going to trade 290. Give me the 56, you chump. Seriously. Did I miss that? 54.50. I'll get it. There it is. 56. Come on. Have buyers. They're small, but we have buyers. 290 is final target. 275 is next target up, and then 290. Come on, 54 half. You're going to be a jerk. 55 quarter, 3 ticks. You're going to be a jerk for 3 ticks. It's pushing that daily resistance. I may have missed this. I did. $56 target hit and filled. 56 hit and filled. 7.5 next target if you're long. 7.5. Then 290. Anybody have any questions? If you're long, your stop should be even. Just kind of chopping around here, guys, at that first area of resistance. If you took the 36 short, target number 1 is 16, maybe 17. Let's call it 17, 36 to 17. Yeah, he's working on that, Arjun. He has been. And I chatted with, come on, give me the 17. Give me 17. Come on, big fella. Almost there, guys. Sellers. Come on, 17. We got 18. We got 19. There it is, 17. To the damned tick. 17 to the damn tick. This is on the cusp of breaking down. If this, there's no profile on the small time frame. I mean, no cloud. It's a thin line. This could get busted. Anybody take 36 to 17? Okay, David. All right, fellas. Okay, Ray. Well, we got the long. We got the long. Got first target. It didn't go any further. If this breaks down below 05, this really, there's a small swing at 98, but I think below 05, it's going to get gutted. Let's see here. Nothing on gold. I have nothing on crude. Gold would be along at 30, 1930. First target would be 32.5 and then 37.7. Gold would be a short below 23. So 23 short. Nah, bullshit first target. 20.8. Not worth it. Although it could break down back to 1910. Look at gold. Yeah, gold is losing buyers. You guys, the trend bot is short on the ES. There's gold breaking down. The 10-minute trend bot put 4 on. I'll leave it. All right, guys. I'll be back in 20 minutes. All right, guys, 15 seconds to the open here. We're going to pull back to 04, I think. Here we go. 1 second. We're open. No. Small buyers, sellers back in. Downside targets 04, unless it holds this buy zone. Small buyers here, 212, nothing. Bullshit. Bullshit. Small sellers. Here comes that 04, I think. Come on, break down. Delta's gone almost flat. I'm going to put Delta on this chart. I don't think we're coming below. We held 8. We held this trend line again. This is kind of a nothing open. I would be long at 39, call it 40. They're pulling shorts. Still holding that trend line. There's the 04. Bouncing, no buyers. Small sellers. I mean, it's just, there's nothing here. ES getting a push. I like ES long to 41. Guys, I'll be long at 40. You could get aggressive and take 33. Really needs to pop 49. I mean, insignificant selling pressure here. There's no reason for us to short. Here's the 41 on ES. Boom. Target hit. It's quick 3 handles, but I don't have my NASDAQ bot on yet because we're just putzing, and I don't want to get into the middle of a trade. Wow. Great news and nothing. All right, guys. I'll take the long aggressively at 32. It's an aggressive trade. 40 might be a better entry. There's your 40. Pushing a pivot here. Got a damn 15-minute trend line. Need to break 47, 48. Above 47, 48, she blows. Come on, dipshit. Come on. Have buyers now. Small. We're still chopping around in this dinky dunky area. Come on. Gave me profits, just didn't give me targets. You guys know I hold for targets. Sellers back in. Come back up through 21, maybe 23. Boy, this is a crappy order flow. Really crappy order flow, guys. They're buying them back. Sellers are trying, buyers are trying. Right in here. This is kind of this volume areas where we're wedged. Come on, Oompa Loompa. For real. Yeah. This looks like it wants to break down back into that 04 and then down to 86. Small sellers, small buyers. I'll add it. No, I won't. Above 30, it's good. Above 30, it's good. Come on, pull up. $20 sellers. I'll be out on a move below 02. Holding some support. Come on. I'm out. You stinker. Seriously. It's not a short. They're pulling in sellers. It is not a short. 82 is going to bounce it. It's not a short. $200 sellers, guys. It's just jerking around. It's got one contract on short. That's it. Holding daily support. It's got to break down below 15 if it's coming anywhere. It's on top of the 10-minute cloud. There it goes. I'm going to close this out if this doesn't break lower. I'm out. I'm out, guys. This is just chopping around. I like longs, and I cannot lie. I don't have any reason to be short unless I get a 10-minute close below 04. I cannot be short. It's just chop. 10 minutes got to close below 04. No size buyers, no blocks. Net delta at 40 contracts. Building a bull flag on a 5-minute. SPYs with a gap down. Filled the gap. And Qs. My Q long is above 40. I'm sorry, 368. SPYs are above 40. Holding VWAP on SPYs. Q's above VWAP. NASDAQ lagging. Trying to get a push. Just no buyers. They're drawing shorts. They're going to kill these shorts. What is it about Fridays? Holding support here at 22. Held support at 22. First hurdle is 31. Up to a couple hundred buyers. Jesus, this is pathetic. $15 minutes in. Come on, send in the buyers. Guys, you can't even scalp this. We get that swing and the buyers are going to flood it. Come on. There we go. This is an area if you want to take some risk off, 50. Told you, we get above that swing, buyers are going to flood it. Now we've got to break above 61. This is resistance, this low volume area. Got to get 61, block buy here, 72 contracts. You can take some risk off if you want. I told you we are not shorts. They just drew in all these assholes on the short side and they're going to kill them. Got to get that 61. Come on, get that swing. 61 quarter. If you want to take some risk off, you can take some risk off. Let's go. Boy, some days they just don't make. I told you all morning it's not shorts. They're going to kill these shorts. The news was good. Russell, they're buying the Russell. Look at the Russell. Come on, let's go. Next 15-minute bar in 5.5 minutes. Still won't go. Unbelievable. Guys, I hold for targets. Gave 12 handles. That's it. Trade them as you see fit. I hold for targets. We're pulling the 95 down. It's setting up to go much higher. Stack buyers. This should grind to at least 83. Catch that little swing. They'll find buyers again above that little swing. 1-2 tick lower high. Don't like that. One tick. There we go. Found buyers above the swing. Got 77. Don't like the 2-minute candle. It's got to push above that 77 or it's going to pull back. You're welcome, Don. All I can think of at the moment is rumbling, bumbling, tumbling. I mean, it's trying like holy hell, but what's stopping this here? Oh, that high volume node, but it didn't even get there. I mean, this should at least get to 86. I'm holding, guys. We're up to 1,400 or so on the positive delta. Next possible step for Poland is a rate cut. If you guys want your money, take it. Two and a half to the next 15-minute bar. Look at this hourly. And we've got the 10-minute really needs to push up through 86. We're hourly up. We're 10-minute up. Every time frame is up. See you, Ray. Enjoy your vacation, man. Got a 162 buyer at 70. ES hit target at 50. If anybody took ES, you got ES target above 54. ES goes to 62. All right, guys, we're getting new bars all the way around in 1 minute and 4 seconds. Really would like this next 10-minute bar to close, to open above 73. And this is just piss poor. Seriously, piss poor. "20 seconds, 10:30 bars. Really want to see 73. There's 70. Come on, big guy. 71. Come on, give me 73 in 10 seconds. Come on, fella. 72.50 we hit. 2, 1. New bar. We're going to open. We opened right at 73. Opened where I wanted to open. There's back test of support. Yes. Right back down. Yeah, Lee, you are a stink face today, man. Couple hundred sellers came in, held the support zone. Anybody holding agonizingly with me? This is painful to watch. Seriously, it's painful. This could... Got buyers, guys. I mean, it's not like we don't have buyers. We just pulled the 95 down to 82 quarter. Yeah, this is torture. This is literally torture for me. It's got to come back through 73. Call it 73 to a quarter. Right back to entry. $50 is support. 51. Didn't get there. Guys, it's trying to go long. It's just a function of time. The NASDAQ on a 10-minute is pushing one standard deviation. And even with we were up to around 1,400 buyers. It just couldn't push through. I'll check volume at 10:30. But I don't have a reason to be short. I suppose we could have scalped this thing, but I do think that this is going to work up to 366, yesterday's high. It's just an opinion, but the hourly is pushing the cloud If you guys want to take profits, you have small profits in there, feel free to take your risk off. I mean, it's giving money. $55 is former daily support. I mean, is daily support. I don't know how this doesn't get to at least 78, 80, and then 86. I think my target is good at 90. It should work to 94. No more trades on the NASDAQ bot. Come on, breakout, you chooch. Opening range high is coming, which is that swing high. Is come on, let's go. You got 10 handles in it if you want it, guys. If we break above that swing, there it is. It'll find buyers again. Came back through what we needed to. Should find buyers, guys, right here. 76. God, this is. Come on, pop that swing. New candle, lower highs. I will add into this trade long above that little swing here at 84.50. I'll still take 5 off at 90. Assuming it gets there. Buyers. Come on, buyers. Get rid of Europe, and we're good. Come on, pop. This is like the 4th attempt here. Let's go. Slowest 15-minute candle I've ever seen develop. There we go. Come on, get that little swing. Don't do that. 1 tick lower high. Back up to 1,300 buyers. Come on, pop. Double top. There it goes. New high, fellas. What's the high? What's today's high? Oh, all the way up here at 12, 13. Anybody timing this trade? This may be the longest trade I've ever been in my life. $15 minutes we've been in this trade, at least. could pull back. $9.52. Need to come back through 70 quarter. Buyers right back in. Look at the delta. This, to me, looks like accumulation. Sellers are pressing here. Okay, lost that area. We held that support at 51. I still don't like shorts. We're going to pull back. Got to come back up through 62. $48's an ad. This could come all the way down to 31, guys, just FYI. I don't think it does, but it's building a bull flag on the 2-minute. This is freaking bullshit. This price action is horrific. Oh, sorry, guys. I fell asleep. This is horrible. Need ES to break above 50, and she's going to go. ES is finding buyers. If somebody can name a trade I've been in longer, let me know. Because I'm telling you, I've never been in a trade 25 minutes to not even get first target. I don't think ever. Come on, Naz, let's go. This is like a holiday. Monday was better. I know damn well we're tagging 82. Zero momentum today. Zero. Again, if you guys want money, take your money. $76 quarter. This is the opening range high. We're consolidating just below the opening range high. We've breached it. We're consolidating just below. Right back to entry. I don't like that on the 15-minute. We could pull back. Well, it gave money a bunch of times. It's just not giving me a damn target. And you guys know I hold the targets. This could come all the way back to 31. And this really needs to hold in here. Right here, 40. No trades on the NASDAQ bot, though. It rolled over. It should have taken a trade. All right, guys, I got to kill the trade. Gave me money more than once. And I took nothing off. ES backfilled to 42. Support on ES is 42. NASDAQ on the cusp of closing below the 2-minute. I mean, to me, it's just staggering that I don't get a target. Seriously. Two-minute bar closes here in 14 seconds, and it's going to be a short below the 2-minute cloud. Jesus. I think NASDAQ bot is short. It is. With 5. Resistance is 31. Got buyers again. This could now push up to 47. They just dragged shorts in again. Bounced off VWAP. We're just jerking around now, guys. Straight jerking around. A little bit of support, obviously, here at VWAP. We're down to 450 net buyers. God damn it. This price action is horrible. Trendbot has 2 on. Down to 200. There it goes. We're holding that previous 15-minute trend line. Unless this breaks below that swing, below the point of control, it's insignificant. The problem is it's got to get really below 35, 36 to do anything. And I mean, really blow out below that. And then it could be a free fall. ES is holding. This is just horrible, man. Sellers come in, they buy them back. If the 2-minute caves, then I think we're good to go. Let's see what else I got. Nothing there on gold. Crude. I have nothing on crude. ES, I really have nothing unless it's above 54. Look at this, nothing. At 10:30, I'll get a volume update. I think this is eventually going to push down to 190 on the NASDAQ, 190. The 10-minute cloud is literally a line. There's no cloud. The 2-minute won't break the bottom of the cloud. It did actually close below the cloud and pulled back up, and now it's just bouncing off the bottom of the 2-minute cloud. Oh my God. You got to unleash the fury at 10:30? There we go. Now it's breaking 10:30. You had $1,000 in the trend bot. We got to close below the 2-minute. This should come back to 03 if you guys want to try a short to 03. Got $1,000 on the bot on the trend bot, 2 contracts only. Here's the 04. Anybody short NASDAQ? Here comes 90. There's 1,500 on the bot. Anybody short? I'll take 10 off at 90. $92. You missed me by a nickel. One damn tick. There it is. Come on, push. All right, I took 10 off. Now I'm holding 5 for a complete capitulation. We got 1,900 on the trend bot. 2,000. Only 2 contracts. It's up 50 handles. 2,100. Man, if this had 4 contracts on, it'd be a funded account. They're going to be support here at 78. We're now up to 1,000 net sellers. I'm still holding 5. Come on, 2,100. Can you get me 3,000? Can a brother get 3,200? 140 is maybe where this thing completely pukes. 140 or stops. Support here. Got a breakdown below 171, and we start working down to 150. We're into a support zone here. This has to break. I closed it out. I closed out the short on the bot. It's up 1,000. I think this could now, if we work in, we've got to work below this 83 swing, 77 area, maybe the next 10-minute bar. Let me just look at let me just look at volume. 24% below our 1 month daily average. 24% below. I missed a long on Qs here at 66.25. It looks like we're setting up to roll. SPY's still hanging in there. And NASDAQ doinking around. Going to get a small bounce here. Probably back to 18. All right, I closed out that short. Into resistance here on a 2-minute. 0809. Guys, I'm just going to get coffee. 1 minute. ES is a failed breakdown. Again, failed breakdown. We get above that 54 and we're going to squeeze. Can we get rid of Europe, please? Come on, give me 27 for real. All right, got 10 off, holding 5. That's target 1. Take 2 off at 33. Got to clear 28. Bot's now long 2. NASDAQ bot. Oh. Hit me again. There we go. 2 off, half 3. I'll take 2 at 39. 2 at 39. That might be a little tricky because we're going to push the bottom again of the 2-minute cloud. Back to a green delta. Small, but they bought them all back. 1,000 contracts, they bought them all back. My opinion is we are still going up once we lose our friends across the pond. Flat. $10-minute needs to clear VWAP. Next target would be 46, then 68. I'll be long above 40. I don't really have anything until we get above that 40. That's that ES spot. Long 2 and sim. I'll go over bots, guys, when we're done. Back to a 60 contract negative delta. They're just jerking everybody, longs and shorts. They've got everybody trapped. Longs trapped all the way up here, shorts trapped down in here. NQ bot just added 2, now has 4. $38's going to be a problem. This area here, that all those pivots are at 38. If this breaks out above 40 half, this gets 60. It gets 46 first, and then 60 and 71. $38's going to be a problem child. Shitty little inside day on the daily bar. Spike to 400 net. I mean, growth. Come on, push through here. Good God. The lack of volume is just mind-numbing. This is the problem right here, 38. If this gets through this area, 40, this is going to go. There's 600. All I need is $2,000 to pass this combine or this evaluation. This is your long, guys. This is where it's got to break out. If this breaks out through here, this is off like a pony. 47's next target. Come on, give me $2,000. Come on, $2,000. I took the percentage pullback off, so I'm being leery in this area. We're pushing those damn pivots. All right, I took it. Bot's up 1,800. This can still go. I'm just not going to sit in the dang trades. 1,800 still not a bad day. You can't quantify trades with this bot. Meaning, because there's not specific fixed targets and stops, he can't quantify longs versus shorts, Tuesday versus Thursday, etc. So he does have the bot. but and he may be using it for all I know, but he has no interest in or want to do the same type of strategy analysis that he did with the original. Guys need about 1,200 to clear an evaluation. I'm at 1,800 or so. We're at the top of the hour. We're the last 30 minutes of Europe. We're pushing that 38. If we can break above that swing high on the 15 minute at 44, I think we are good to go. It's a very thin area of the profile, but we need that swing high 45, call it. If that goes, I will be long again. I believe it's going to. They've got longs uncomfortable. They got shorts uncomfortable. They're right in the middle of this damn range. And if we get that swing here, I'm going to be long again. I really would like to get that last 1,200 bucks. This is going to break that 2 minute. This is trying to break that top of that 2 minute damn cloud. When it does, there's nothing. I mean, there's nothing here. 47 is the resistance on the 10. All right, guys. There's that 47. Come on, get through this little piece of crap sliver of resistance. All right, I'm long. So now, let's see here. Take 10 at 55. Take 10 at 55. All right, guys, we got another 600. I need 1,200. It's only got 2 contracts on, so this is going to need a hell of a freaking push. I'm trying to get 10 off here at 54, 55. Daily resistance. Come on, Ratback. $52.50. Come on, push. Bank of England's Bailey speaking. Come on, jeepers, criminy. Good God almighty. Go get 54, 55. New 2 minute bar. Push here. $700, $800. Come on, 400 bucks more. Be the man. Be the man. Just missed my target. Got 54 quarter. 900. Come on. All right, got 10 off. We push through this 54, 55. This will fund. It's 300 from funding. This is massive resistance, though, right here. If it's got to push up through this. We get to 61, it's surely funded. Anybody that might be long. Buyers coming in now, small. I still have 5 to go. Okay, look at the 10. Oh, yeah. Come on, get above 57 and it's going 70. There's 1,000. Come on, baby. 200 more. 200 more. Fund this pig. Come on. Hit 11. 1150. Oh, I might have killed it a little too soon. Bot's up 3,005. Ticket fees will take it just below that. Anybody trade the bot? Similar numbers? Oh. How'd you guys do on the bot? You funded 2 accounts? Nice job, Nick. Nice job. On the bot? Nice. 4 funded accounts this week. Nice job. Guys, it is uber slow. Right back into this resistance zone, but we're working back up. $48, $49 long. It's going nowhere. 54 quarter is the top of the 3-minute bar. I mean, it should get 53. I don't think it breaks out, but if this breaks out above 60, it could be a hell of a trade. This just want to bounce off of support. This is brutal. Brutal price action, guys. This could come back down to 36 now. Should hold value area high at 43. Nope. This wants to come back down to 38 and possibly back down to 35 into the close of Europe. Don't short a dull market, boys and girls. Never. Never, 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 never. All right, you can have 10. I'm flat. I mean, this thing is trying to break out. Look at it on a 5-minute. Here's a 5-minute. It's trying. I think once we get rid of Europe, you'll see a move up. Did $3,005 on the evaluation. And ES did $937.50 on SIM. And on a $300,000 account, I did $72.45. $72.45. That's it. I don't think that this blows through this zone in year. This is probably a better short than a long. Right to the tick at 60. It's just struggling right here, 58.5. It's trying to go long. There's just no volume. Guys, have a great weekend.